Lorex has added to its nocturnal camera line with the introduction of LNE8950. This sleek all-metal dome camera has many features that make it an ideal camera for your surveillance needs. The 8950 is an 8.51 megapixel 4K camera which offers 4 times the resolution of standard 1080p HD and uses PoE or Power over Ethernet with the need for only one cable to connect the camera. While the video quality is superb, the camera can also capture audio with a built-in microphone. The camera is made of solid aerospace-grade aluminum. It can be mounted vertically or horizontally indoors or outdoors. With a sealed weatherproof lens and body, the camera is IP67 rated and can operate in temperatures as low as -22 degrees Fahrenheit to as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit. This camera offers a maximum night vision of 200 feet and a field of view of 113 degrees. The camera also features an E-shutter, which optimizes the amount of light let into the camera sensor. This camera can record at 30 frames per second, which helps to provide smooth on-screen movement. The LNE8950 uses HDR or High Dynamic Range technology, which ensures the system can capture the broadest range of visual details. Like many Lorex cameras, the LNE8950 employs HEVC or High Efficiency Video Codec H.265, which keeps file sizes small yet maintains high video quality. The LNE8950 is an IP or Internet Protocol camera and is ONVIF compliant, an international open standard for IP cameras. Key features of this camera include a Sony Exmor R CMOS sensor, considered one of the best image sensors available today. As well, the ball head allows the user to adjust the angle and direction that the camera is pointed. Included with the 8950 is a 100-foot 30-meter Ethernet cable with a unique locking connector to prevent disconnection. Lorex includes a quick start guide outlining installation options and safety precautions. A Lorex 24-hour window decal is included with the package. A Torx key is used to adjust the camera ball head. This unique design of the Torx head bolt helps to dissuade vandalism. Hollow wall anchors and screws are also part of the Lorex package. The LNE8950 Nocturnal 4K professional grade camera produces crisp images for your security needs.